Hey guys, this is Salim, and in this video we're gonna unbox the Zoom H1 digital voice recorder. So yeah, this is it. So let's just open it up. I got this from Amazon. So at the time of my purchase, it was 4,999. That's a cheap price. As on other Chinese sites, it was about 6,000. So yeah, there's that. And yeah, so we have this packages to protect it, and it's just a small package inside. So this is the Zoom H1 audio recorder. It's discontinued now, but there are great reviews about it and people are still using it. So at the front, as you see, it's just written brilliant stereo recording now in your pocket. H1 handy recorder. On the side there's nothing, on the back there's something, and yeah, let's go to the back. So it's written 7,999, but it's not true. I got it for 4,999. That's 5,000 rupees. Month of manufacture, imported by, and all that stuff. So yeah, there's that. Let's just okay, we have got something here, free bundle software. So that's cool that we get something free inside it too. So we get all this stuff, some booklets and the recorder. So let's open this first. Okay, we get a micro SD card that's 2 gigs in size and an adapter because this requires a micro SD card. So yeah, there's that, and a micro SD adapter for you to transfer it to a computer. And so some booklets here. The first one here is a warranty guide, warranty one, I guess. Yeah, it's warranty registration. That's cool. The second one here is a quick start user guide. That's pretty big. I'll read it later, but that's pretty big. So the third booklet here is a downloadable software information. Yeah, so there's a code. I'm not showing it because I'll use the software. The fourth one, there's a lot of download booklets here. It's the software thing also, how to use the software. The fifth one is, I guess they gave 2 of these. And then we have the importer information. Where do they import from? There's that. A lot of booklets. This is my first unboxing in which there are a lot of booklets. So the safety information. And what's that? This is the version 2.0, I guess. As it's written, it's version 2.0. Oh. And lastly, finally, we have come to the last. It's SD card usage precautions. So there's that. So there's the recorder. This is the recorder. So it runs on a AA battery, and the battery is included in it. Let's just take it out. Okay, there's the battery. As you can see, normal AAA battery. There's the recorder. So let's just open it. So this is the recorder. It's completely made of plastic. So yeah, so there's the mic. It's in an XY fashion and is enclosed by this capsule. And there's a record button. That's pretty good. So it's complete plastic. So if you want something better like metallic ones, go for a high-end variant. Let's look at the ports here. So this is the volume rockers, headphone jack, so you can directly monitor your audio. There's a micro SD card slot. The other side has a lot of options. So it's a USB port. So with this USB port, you can connect it to your PC and transfer files, as well as use it as a USB microphone. That's pretty cool. The power buttons, the trash button to delete, the play, pause, skip, and previous button, the input level of the microphone, as well as a line in to connect other microphones. Like I have the Boya mic with me. I can connect it to that and use it. The back side here has some more switches. So it's a low cut filter, auto level and recording format if you want to record in WAV format or MP3 format. And it's written designed by Zoom in Japan, assembled in China. Everything is assembled in China. So let's put our battery in. Let's just put it inside. And let's close it up. Cool. Now let's just power it on. I guess this is the power on. So I'll just, cool. So it has a LED backlit display. It shows the current time as it does not have any time because it does not have any internal memory. So let's just pop in the micro SD card that we got in the package. So here's the micro SD card. I'll just first power it off. Okay, so we have 35 seconds of audio in it. So that's cool. I can record 35 seconds of audio. So let's just hear it. I'll just speak something and yeah, I forgot to mention there's a speaker which is pretty rubbish in my opinion. So yeah, so let's just record something. You just press this and it'll start recording. As you can see, it's no card. So there's a left and right channel. So as you can see, it's going up and down because it's picking up my audio. And if you can see here, there's a record or peak. So it will start blinking if we peak the audio. That's pretty good in my opinion, because sometimes you see we speak too loud and sometimes we speak too less. And here's the battery. As you see, battery is a full 100% right now because I just popped in the battery. Let's just record something. I'll put in the SD card first. Let's power it off. Okay. Oh, we got by. And let's pop in the micro SD card. Let's just power it on. So we got something. So it's giving card access. And we have 3 hours and 7 minutes and 24 seconds of audio that we can record in this. As you can see, it's saying wave. So we are recording in wave format. You can change it here and record in MP3 format. As you can see, if I change it, it's MP3 128 kbps. I like to record in wave to get a flexibility in my audio so that I can record it later on. So yeah, there's that. Just record it. So this is the test of the Zoom H1 microphone. Okay, and now I guess this is the play button. So this is the test of the Zoom H1 microphone. That's pretty good. We can change the input levels. As you can see, it's at level 50. We can change it to 51 up till 100, and there's the volume. So it's at 80 right now, and it's pretty good. I'll just delete that clip. I'll have to figure out how to delete it. But yeah, this is how it sounds. So we'll do some audio checks in the review part of the video that will come out in like 3 or 4 days. So stay tuned. And if you like this unboxing, do hit the like button. Vote it down if you didn't. Comment for any queries. And since you're commenting, do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a review of these, you will be the first to know. So thanks a lot for watching. This is Salim. You've been watching the Gadget Ninja, and I'll see you soon.